what was NIO? NIO has formed a big rally, guys. NIO, I'm also holding NIO, but not a big quantity, a smaller one. EV. Now we're gonna pick up few EV stocks. Okay, NIO. The very interesting thing. NIO earnings. NIO earnings were negative, but the NIO did not fell down despite the negative earnings because of the huge volumes. The volumes tend to be like in 270 million, 300 million, 379 million, and we got like huge volumes in NIO. Because of that, we have a price volatility as well, and this time it's a positive, and price always tends to go up related to NIO. So NIO has started its journey from here, from $3 and up, and again, so sideways movement, up, sideways. This is the pattern we identified last time. Up, sideways again, then up, sideways, and here it was a huge up, and maybe it is like planning for a next sideways move. Next sideways move. Where is my channel? Okay, guys, this can be a next sideways move for this stock, but it will be followed up again by a spike as per its previous trading pattern. A spike sideways, and then maybe you can see another spike here. The levels we are talking about are like somewhere around 56. Let me draw a pattern here. Fib ratio. Let's see what the Fibonacci ratio says. Where is Fibonacci? On. From where to take it now? I will take it from here till here, and okay, settings, come on, now drag this. Okay, this one, why it's not showing up? I wanted to draw a few more levels of this fib retracement to see where it can go further. This 100% next level is okay. I can tell you verbally. Next level is like from after 100%, the next level is 120%. Like we have the percentages here: 23, 60, 70, 800, and 1.2, which is like 100%. So 120%. So 120% from this level to add up 20% more, which will $10 more. So 60. So 60 is the next level which we are talking about here. And you can see in many of the analyst reportings as well that they are saying something about 56 and plus. So this one, like this level is maybe the next level for this stock. This is one way to look at, and the other way which I'm looking at is this arrow. This one, this spike, if we continue the same pattern here, and let's assume that it will continue to do the same. So these are almost the same level, like 57. So 57, 60. So these are the levels that can be looked at. So if you have this stock and you already bought this, I would say like hold on to it, and there is a positivity, a positive vibe in the market related to this stock, and even after the loss report, it has reported loss and it didn't fell down. It holded strongly onto it, and then The volumes are also high, so I see a positive movement in price related to this stock. The whole week was very good for this stock. Let me see weekly how it behaved in a weekly manner. In the weekly manner, it has always been green except for 4 weeks. On the longer term, it is like always green. So this can be a stock that can be entered into, but with a stop loss, because there can be correction anytime. And if we look at the RSI, the RSI is what the RSI is saying. RSI is in overbought area. So overbought area, but it's still sustaining there. Stock is climbing and RSI tends to remain there. So this RSI is there since the stock was here, from here, like I would say, stock was at a level of 40s, 39, 40. So this channel from 40 to 49, RSI remained there. So correction is due and it can be done anytime. But looking at the history, when the stock was here at this level, the price was here at 14. There was a little bit correction, but the price didn't fell down sharply. Unlike the other stocks when we undergo correction, the price falls down, because RSI has always been above these levels. So even if the RSI goes below and it is support, and the other thing that you can relate is when the RSI is still above 52, the volumes are much higher than the previous volumes when the RSI was very, very, very less in like 22 oversold area. So if it continues the same pattern with the same volumes are key here, very important. So if you see the volumes are still there, volumes are not dying, then the RSI will also show you the same pattern. And if it undergoes a correction, I'm telling you on the flip side what's going to happen if it doesn't continue its journey further. So on the flip side, it will be staying till, it will stay till here at a 50 plus. And when RSI is above 50, so we say the trend is still positive. 50 is neutral and below 50 is a negative trend. So it will stay here. And how you're going to know that it's going to stay above 52? Volumes will tell you. If you see still the same strength in the volumes, even if the RSI is going down, it can be a little bit correction, and this correction, and it can rebound again at these levels and continue its journey upwards. But if you see it has fallen below 52, the RSI has fallen below that level, then exit. This can be can be a big correction. So plan your trade accordingly. But right now, sideways move is expected, maybe a little bit correction, but in the long run, our levels are like touching 60s. Yes, Vivek, you want to add something here?
No, I think you covered everything.
Okay, that's good. So we are
Covered everything.
moving to the next one. What was the next one, guys? I'll look in it.